Welcome to CAD Engineer. It's a heat sink problem where we are going to calculate the temperature and heat flux on the body. So in this we are going to see how free convection cooling dissipates the heat generated by the package. So here we have upper heat sink and we have the source from that heat is transferred to the model. So here this heat sink is made of aluminum alloy and we have silicon pure chip is there from that heat is flowing, and we have defined the thermal conditions. We have the convection fluid coefficient we have defined here at 22 degrees Celsius, and heat is flowing from that silicon pure. It's 10 watt, and we have defined the connections between them, that is a bonded contact. They are welded with each other. Now we'll click solve button to see the results. So here you can see the results on the part. So here we have the maximum temperature and minimum temperature range that we got it. So I want to see now that heat flux on the body. We can click heat flux and we can see that heat flux values here. Okay. So this is how we have calculated a steady state thermal problem on heat sink.